All right, so I haven't done one of these videos in a while where I ran around by myself, so we're going to do that today. It's a sunny day here in Pittsburgh. It's 42 currently, so break out the shorts. I don't have a coat on today, which is different. So today I'm here at the St. Vincent de Paul thrift store. We're gonna see what we can find in there, so come on in. Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheels.
Oh god, oh god. Ew, this looks terrible.
My typical place. Looking at jeans. The blue is half off. So see what we can find in the jeans department. 36.32. I think they're in pretty good shape. Look for a little wear on the pocket there. Nah. 36.32 for the 14s. Again, wear on the pocket. Same person probably on Tommy Bahama. We got the Tommy Bahamas here. Looks like it's 36.30, so I'll take them. These look like they're in good shape. 527, 34, 34. Take them. We have this brand currently on sale. It's not going anywhere. Another one. 42, 32. These are actually blue, not black. I'll take these two. All right, so we got 3 pairs of jeans there. Tommy Bahama, 2 Levi's. Next stop is going to be to a place called the Game Master's Realm. It's a used video game, used video systems, board games, all kind. The place is crazy. The guy's a really cool dude. He's run this shop for quite a number of years. So I'm actually going because we sold this game that we got at Goodwill for $60 and it got returned. And the guy said it didn't work. He said he tried it several times. He just couldn't get the disc to spin up. So I'm going to go have it tested because there's nothing wrong with the disc. The disc is completely unscratched. It looks brand new. So I'm going to actually head over there, have this tested, see if the game is working, and if he'll let me, I'm going to get some footage of inside that place because it is really a sight to see. It's got an immense amount of video games. So yeah, that's where we're going to head over to now. All right. Well, we couldn't film in there because, well, I probably could have, but it was just me and him in the store, and we were, just chatting about video games and stuff like that. So didn't really feel comfortable walking around the store filming. So, but for those of you in the Pittsburgh area that are collectors of video games, not resellers, if you're a reseller, you're not going to find much there because he's a retail establishment and he sells things at retail prices. So, but for those of you that are collectors in the Pittsburgh area, you're definitely going to want to check him out. Game Master's Realm, the Game Master's Realm in Ambridge. Really cool, awesome place. Just if you're looking for a specific video game and it's not there, it probably doesn't exist. So back to the saga of the video game. So the video game worked. It worked with no problems whatsoever. He had seemed to really want the game, so I traded him for this. This is Mario Kart Double Dash, and it's worth about the same amount of money as the Eternal Darkness game that I just traded. So long and short of the story is that we're going to sell this on eBay instead of the in the Eternal Darkness GameCube game. He really wanted it. He had a guy that collects these games, and he tested it and it worked just fine. So I had no problem making a trade with him, and I'm going to put this on eBay when I get home. But for the time being, we're going to keep thrifting a little bit today. So we are at, or I am at, the Family Store, Salvation Army in Aliquippa, Pennsylvania. So we're going to go in there, see what we can find. Probably some jeans, maybe some records, hopefully a few books. Sometimes there's some decent books here. So let's see what we find. All right, so here's what we got so far. We've got 550, 34, 32. We've got some 559s, 34, 32, and 559, 36, 32. Gotta keep this short because the music is blaring in here, so don't want to get in trouble. So we'll check back in with you in a minute. Toys, lots of toys. Ninja Turtle. You can see the date on it. Can you see that date? I can't see that date. So the Ninja Turtle was 2008. Not worth much. Let's see what else we got here. Some Batman and Wonder Woman. Ghostbusters RC car there. All right, so last thrift store, we got 3 pair of jeans, just Levi's. They're, you know, a couple of them are pretty cool colors, but nothing too spectacular. We did get those, and we got 3 at the thrift store before it, and I'm going to make one more stop for the day. I was going to quit after the Salvation Army, but I decided, we'll make one more stop. So we are here. Or I am here. I keep saying we because I'm so used to not doing this myself. I'm here at Goodwill, right near Robinson Town Center in Pennsylvania. And this Goodwill was really good at one point. We found some really cool things there. We found a lot of scientific calculators, or TI, Texas Instrument calculators here. So we did nickname this store the Calculator Goodwill. And since with that nickname, I haven't found a single calculator, but did find some good GameCube games here. In fact, the game that I just traded found here. So there's been some decent stuff here. So I figured I'd just stop and check this out. So let's go in and check it out and see what we can find. Sorry about this crazy loud music behind me. I'm gonna try to drown it out as much as I can. These are pretty cool. 559.36. Got some wear on the pockets here.
Call us inspirational, at least according to Forbes magazine.
I don't know about that. It's a mark on them. Probably not. Look at the toys here. A little different than most Goodwills. They have everything kind of out. Doesn't look like much. That Goodwill truck would be cool. Or Goodyear truck would be cool. But I don't really want to mess with shipping that. Electronics look like much of the same. There's a football alarm clock here though. And a heated ice scraper. You would think that would work real well, but it doesn't. That's about it. I'm gonna have to stop recording because this music is just obnoxious. Alrighty, so we just got out of Goodwill. I went down the street a little bit. I'm gonna show you what we got. We got 3 jeans. This is just the magic number for today is 3, I guess, because we got 3 pair of jeans at every thrift store. What do we got? We got Levi's 514, 36, 34. These might be a little vintage. They're kind of a royal blue color. They don't really make these anymore. So next we got some 559 size 36, 34. These are kind of cool. They've got a little, like almost a yellow type tint to the threading in them. And then we've got one more. These are 511s, size 34, 30. Let's get a better shot of that. Size 34, 30. These are cool too because they've got kind of the different color stitching in them. Also some white threading in them, so they're really cool. So for the day, we've got 9 pair of jeans. Now we average $10 total profit, not $10 total, $10 in profit per pair of jeans we sell. Now that's provided there's not a unique one in here that's maybe worth a little more money, like the stretch jeans or the 569s are worth a little bit more. If they're vintage or made in the USA, you know, they're going to be worth a little more. So let's just, for an average, let's say we make $10 per jeans in just profit. So that's after fees, after cost of goods, and so forth. So we make $10 per. So that's $90 in just the jeans. Now the game that we got, the game's a little bit of a different story. So originally we bought the original game for $5. We shipped it to a customer and shipped it back because we offer free returns. So that's $10. So it's $5 each way, basically. So it's $10 in shipping. So we're $15 into this game. Now this game should sell for about $60. I'll probably list it for $70 to $75 and take offers for $60. So let's say this game sells for $60. Minus the 15, we're $45 in just profit. Now minus some eBay fees and so forth, and shipping, we're probably going to net $40 in profit on just this game. So with the jeans and that, we're $130 in total profit for the day. So not bad for I've been out for 3 hours now, 3.5 hours. So that's not a bad day's work. 130 bucks in profit. Can't beat it. All right, and we're going to wrap it up right there for the day. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. It makes me feel good. I feel better inside when you like the videos. And if you haven't yet already, please subscribe to the channel. It's always great. The best part of this having this YouTube channel is talking with you and seeing new subscribers and so forth. So if you haven't yet already, hit that subscribe button. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.
Good day, sir!